All right, a very mild autumn continues. A warm day out there today. Here's we start off with the high temperatures across the state today, hardly looking like mid-October type numbers. It was 84 in Payson today, just under 100 in Phoenix at 99. Prescott 83, Sedona it was 86 here in Flagstaff. Our high temperature 74 degrees, way above the average, obviously, which is 62 for this time of year, and just several degrees off the record high temperature of 78. Set back in 1991. And it's also not only been a very mild fall, it's been a dry fall. We haven't had any precipitation the whole month of October. And during September, we had no rain days that were over a quarter inch. You have to go all the way back to the end of August to find a day where we received more than a quarter inch of rain. So, yeah, things really drying out here. And we're seeing these numbers now very close together. We're just about on average here, just a little bit above average on the calendar year due to that wet spring that we had and average monsoon, but very dry here the last couple months. Strong high pressure still in place across the state. As a matter of fact, it's right on top of us here in Arizona. That's what's bringing the quite warm temperatures out there today. And we have one more day of that tomorrow, and I think we may even see temps go up a degree or two. Near record type warmth once again in the forecast for us on Tuesday. A little bit of high cloud cover coming out of this mass off the Pacific. On Wednesday, a very weak weather disturbance that is also all blended into this kind of messy setup off Southern California is going to move through Arizona. That's Wednesday and Thursday. A little bit of this moisture makes its way in, and I think we see some light rain sprinkles, mainly over the higher terrain on Wednesday and Thursday. No promises it's going to be super spotty and hardly enough to even wet the surface of the earth, but that'll stick around Wednesday and Thursday. Cloudy days, temperatures still very mild. Then this storm system, which is just huge for the Pacific Northwest. I was looking up Mount Baker up here in northern Washington is forecast over 100 inches, I think 125 inches of snow plus over the next week or so with this jet stream just moving right into Washington. A branch of this storm clips Arizona Friday. Look for a windy day with a little bit cooler temperatures Friday and even cooler temperatures come Saturday, but just down to around average for this time of year. So a couple little things going on in the weather world out there for us this week. All right, currently outside, very warm temperatures under this ridge of high pressure. It's 81 in San Francisco right now, 81 in Los Angeles, and it's still 99. Well, this was at the 5 o'clock hour an hour ago down in Phoenix and Las Vegas, 82 degrees. Here's the 6 o'clock temperatures across the region. Flagstaff, we're at 60, Winslow 72, Sedona 79 right now, Payson 75, and it is 72 up at the south rim of the Grand Canyon. All right, overnight for us tonight, a few of these high clouds streaming overhead. Early morning low forecast to get just above the freezing mark, 34 degrees. A quiet night, obviously, tomorrow. Another very warm day for us here, 74 degrees. Hard to complain. Pretty nice weather to get out and enjoy, even though it's a Tuesday. All right, here's a look at the temperature statewide tomorrow. Sedona 87, Prescott 83, 83 Payson, 82 Winslow. Temperatures, like I say, very similar to where they were today. Maybe nudge them up a degree or two. All right, here's a look at the extended forecast. We're partly to mostly cloudy Wednesday and Thursday. Didn't even put that rain shower in there for us. Don't want to sell false hope here, but we might see a little sprinkle midweek here in Flagstaff. A little bit windy on Friday and a bit cooler going into a sunny, dry weekend ahead.